Everybody is looking for more time and less stress. But what if I told you a cleaning service is the answer? Imagine walking into a spotless office every day. Here are the top 5 benefits of hiring a cleaning company for your small business. First up, productivity. A clean workspace means fewer distractions and more focus on what really matters, your business. Second, healthier environment. Professional cleaners tackle those hidden germs, keeping your team healthier and reducing sick days. Third, it saves you time. Invest those hours you'd spend cleaning into growing your business instead. Fourth, it's cost-effective. Think of the money saved on cleaning supplies and equipment, plus the value of your time. And lastly, first impressions. A tidy office leaves a lasting impression on clients and customers. So, hire a cleaning service today and watch your small business shine. Thanks for watching. Contact us today at officecleaningstl.com.